Hi, I'm here at my newest listing, 429 Cedar Trace, and I want to show you the 5 things that I love most about this home. Come check it out. Number 1, it has a classic floor plan with a beautiful soaring ceiling in the living room and plenty of daylight. Number 2, his and her vanities as well as a soaking tub. And number 3 out of the 4 bedrooms have their own separate entrance to a bathroom. A flat backyard, perfect for soccer, trampolines, or maybe even a pool. And did I mention that we have new paint, new carpet, and updated lighting? For more information about this home or just real estate questions in general, give me a call. This is Leanne Farrington with Keller Williams Vestavia, 205-229-8609. Talk to you soon.